Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Explain why is ice water considered a pure substance? It is because of the same chemical composition. Alright, so that is the answer. The explanation is the same as the summary. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool. Open up the program, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.